Okay. Then what problem based on our complete response. In the complete response, we have to find the natural response and also about the forced response. Both you have to find. Okay. Here a problem it is given. Find the output of the system given by the differential equation d square y of t divided by dt square plus 5 dy of t divided by dt plus 4 y of t is equals to dx of t divided by dt. Here the conditions are given for us. In the first response, we have to assume that y of 0 is going to be 0 only. But here the conditions are given. Y of 0 is going to be 0. Then dy of t divided by dt at t is equals to 0 is 1. Then x of t is going to be equals to e raised to minus 2t u of t. They only given the conditions. Now, this is the given equation. Same thing you write. First, y of t is going to be equals to the natural response with the particular solution. Therefore, what is the characteristic equation? First, you have to find a characteristic equation. That is r square plus 5r plus 4 is going to be equals to this given equation. Then r1 is going to be taken as minus 4 and r2 is it will be becoming the roots as minus 1. Okay, then natural response is going to be c1 e raised to minus 4t plus c2 e raised to minus t. Therefore, x of t here it is given as e raised to minus 2t u of t. Based on that, what is the particular solution is going to be? Yp of t is nothing but k into e raised to minus 2t. Okay, based on the input, what you will be getting. Then what you have to do? We have to substitute this in the given equation. Only y of t is changing. You have to substitute in that case. D square k into e raised to minus 2t divided by dt square plus 5 into d by dt of 5k into e raised to minus 2t plus 4 k into e raised to minus 2t, that is going to be equals to minus 2 e raised to minus 2t, because differentiation of x of t, you have to differentiate this. Okay, that is e raised to minus 2t differentiation is going to be minus 2 e raised to minus 2t. Okay, do the differentiation operation. You will be getting as 4k e raised to minus 2t minus 10k e raised to minus 2t plus 4 k e raised to minus 2t, that is going to be equals to minus 2 e raised to minus 2t. You will be getting solve for this. You will be as k is equals to 1. Then substitute this. Therefore, y of t is going to be equals to c1 e raised to minus 4t plus c2 e raised to minus t plus e raised to minus 2t. You will be adding. Then initial conditions are given as y of 0 is going to be equals to 0. Then y dash of 0 is going to be equals to 1. First you differentiate this. It will be finishing of your one step, right? After differentiation y of t, you will be getting as y dash of t. You will be getting as minus 4 c1 e raised to minus 4t minus c2 e raised to minus t minus 2 into e raised to minus 2t. Then what you have to do? Substitute as 0. First condition, when t is 0, you will be getting as substitute for in this condition. When t is equal to 0 for this also and also for the y dash of t also. Okay. So when you substitute t as 0 in this equation, for this equation, you will be getting as 0 is equals to c1 plus c2 plus 1. Then when you substitute in y dash of t is 0, then it will be getting as 1, that is equals to minus 4 c1 minus c2 minus 2 you will get. Substituting t as 0, that's it. Okay. Then solve for these two equation. After solving, you will be getting as c2 as minus 1 by 3 and c1 as minus 2 by 3. Then substitute in the equation c1 c2. Therefore y of t is going to be equals to minus 2 by 3 e raised to minus 4t minus 1 by 3 e raised to minus t plus e raised to minus 2t. That is nothing but if you take e raised to minus 2t, first I wrote this first as, then minus 1 by 3 2 into e raised to minus 4t plus e raised to minus t. Just taken here minus 1 by 3 as common factor. Okay, this if complete response if it is given, it will be asking for 8 marks. Okay, we will solve one more problem based on this. Find the total response. The equation here it is given as d square y of t divided by dt square plus 3 into dy of t divided by dt plus 2 into y of t, that is going to be equals to 2 into x of t, with the condition here given as y of 0 is going to be equals to minus 1 and dy of t divided by dt at t is 0 is given as 1 and x of t here it is given as cos t u of t. Okay, steps remain same. Okay, first write the given equation. Okay, then what is the complete response is nothing but natural response with the particular solution. Particular solution natural response is nothing but forced response, right? The same terms. For that reason, if you write this, this will be enough. From this you will be getting your total response. Okay, therefore first you have to write what is the characteristic equation, that is r square plus 3r plus 2, it is going to be equal to 0. Then r1 is going to be equals to, after solving the for the roots, r1 is given as taken, it will be coming as minus 2 and r2 as minus 1. Okay, then yn of t you substitute, natural response is going to be c1 e raised to minus 2t. This is both are constant value, right? I hope you remember. E raised to minus 2t plus c2 e raised to minus t you will get. Then x of t here given as cos t u of t. Therefore, particular solution is going to be k1 cos t plus k2 sin t. Next, what you have to do? We have to substitute in the given equation of particular solution. So, we will be getting as d square divided by dt square. Just wherever x of t is, y of t is there, you just substitute k1 cos t plus k2 sin t. That's what here it is written. Then do the differentiation for this whole equation. We will be getting as minus cos t k1 minus k2 sin t plus minus 3 k1 sin t plus 3 k2 cos t plus 2 k1 cos t plus 2 k2 sin t, that is going to be equals to 2 cos t you will be getting. Again solve for this. After solving, just to go for k1 terms, here also k1 is there. Okay, solve for this. You will be getting as k1 cos t plus k2 cos t minus 3 k1 sin t plus k2 sin t, that is equals to 2 into cos t. Then cos you write one side, taking cos as common, you will be getting as k1 plus 3 k2 cos t plus k2 minus 3 k1 sin t, that is going to be equals to 2 into cos t you will be getting. Then comparing with the cos terms and sin terms, when I compare with the cos, you will be getting as k1 plus 3 k2 is going to be equals to 2. Then k2 minus 3 k1 is going to be equals to 0 because sin term is not there. Therefore, k2 is going to be equals to 3 k1. Substitute in the equation. Solve for this and you will be getting as k1 as 1 by 5 and k2 as 3 by 5. Next, what you have to do? Just substitute in the y of t. Therefore, y of t will be getting as c1 e raised to minus 2t plus c2 e raised to minus t plus 1 by 5 cos t plus 3 by 5 sin t you will be getting. After this, go for the initial conditions. Here it is already given for us. For that reason, y of 0 is going to be equals to minus 1 and dy of t divided by dt at t is 0, it is going to be taken as minus 1, right? Then what you have to do? We have to substitute t as 0 in the y of t equation. When you substitute this, you will be getting as minus 1 c1 plus c2 plus 1 by 5. Okay, then after differentiating of this, then substituting for dy of t divided by dt at t is equal to 0, here it is given a 1. Differentiate once, this equation after substitute t as 0. After doing that, you will be getting as 1 is equals to minus 2c1 minus c2 plus 3 by 5. Okay. Then solve for these two equations. Solving, you will be getting as c1 is going to be 4 by 5 and c2 will be getting as minus 2. Then next is of just you substitute c1 and c2 in the y of t equation. So you will be getting that complete response as y of t is going to be equals to 4 by 5 e raised to minus 2t minus 2 e raised to minus t plus 1 by 5 cos t plus 3 by 5 sin t will be getting. Then you can stop here or else you can take 1 by 5 as a common factor. Then leftover is of cos t plus 3 sin t plus 2 e raised to minus 2t minus 10 e raised to minus t. This is also, it will be asking for 8 marks in the question paper. Okay, these are all the problems based on a continuous time signal. Okay, natural response, forced response, and also about the complete response.